Today I want to show you how we're progressing along from a little tiny model into actually making the real thing work, the magnetic motor. Alright, there's permanent magnets inside this housing. Alright, they go north, south, south, north. That's the stator part. Okay, there's a center shaft here, that's to keep it on center. This is an armature that I made, and it's north, south, magnets in here. Alright, I'm going to try to get it centered up here. Once you get it on there, it's difficult. There, alright. Now what I want to show you, this is not all together yet, this is just half of it, but I want to show you the workings and the operation of it. A solenoid coil is going to pull it back and forth this way, maybe about so far, ½ inch to an inch, and that's going to cause the rotary motion from the linear motion. So we do it this way. This is how it's going to work. And right now I have it hooked up to a car alternator that I modified with permanent magnets in it. Unfortunately, I've had it up to speed and it's not putting out the voltage I expected. So I'm going to have to work on that. I have to finish the coil. I have to work on that to get this whole assembly together so I can finally show you how it operates. The thing that makes this nice is that the permanent magnets give it the torque that it needs. Okay. Instead of using a lot of amperage, a lot of wattage from the battery, it'll be battery operated. All the force will be stored in the permanent magnets. Okay. Eventually, what's going to happen, we'll go over here. I want to show you where it's going to get hooked up to. You can see this on this end. All right. We're going to remove this housing. This is only a 1,000-watt generator. I'm going to remove this housing, which is the pull cord. Alright, and as you see, we have here the flywheel. What I did later on, I made a modification here. We're going to put this in here, bolt it up. I'm going to put that other housing that you're seeing on here and that rotor, and the rotor will be going back and forth, making this whole thing rotate around. Alright. I got it figured out. It takes 2.2 amps to operate it at 12 volts, which is around 27 watts of power, okay, to get 10 pounds of torque that I need to turn everything here to run this generator that's in the back. Okay, so normally it takes twice the energy with a gasoline engine or even electric motor. If you're going to use electric motor to run this generator, it's a 1,000-watt generator, I need 2,000 watts of power with my setup, alright, because I can get the torque that I need and produce the twisting force that I need. I only need 26 watts of power to run a 1,000-watt generator. Okay, so therefore it should be feasible to recharge the battery on the go, but we will see. That's what I'm working on now. So hopefully I'll have a better video for you next time.